Hey guys, Tech Ninja 81 here. It's March 14th, 2011. I've been out riding a few times so far this year, maybe about my 6th or 7th time so far. Last couple of times I've been out though, I noticed a bit of a strange sound from my bike that I never heard last year, even in the colder weather. I figure it's just because I did have the bike sitting for a bit during the winter season, and maybe it's just working out some crap in the system. Maybe it's due for an oil change or something, but I'm not too good with the mechanical part of things here. I'm wondering if you guys can identify a sound that I've been hearing when the bike started up when it's still cold. It seems like it mostly just happens with the choke on, like closed rather. It sounds almost like I don't know if I want to describe it as a scratching sound or a ping or like I don't know, just like a weird jump in the engine or something. Hopefully when I start it up here you're going to be able to hear it. It seems like it's coming from in and around like the oil or something in that area there, so I'm not sure what it actually is. Let me start up the bike here and I'll see if you guys can hear it. I'll start it up here. Choke is closed. One sec, here we go. Yeah, it helps if I actually have the ignition on. Alright, here we go. See if we hear it here. I don't know if you can hear that right now, but there is a ticking sound, which is coming from this area. That's basically what I've been hearing. Now, sometimes when I first start the bike, it seems like it revs for a couple of seconds and it just kind of, I don't know, just kind of clunks. I'm used to that more or less when the bike's cold, or if it hasn't been started in a while, which kind of goes hand in hand. But this ticking sound is new to me. I don't remember ever hearing it before. Those of you that are a bit more mechanically inclined, maybe you can tell me roughly what that is. If you have an idea for that, if you have an answer, feel free to leave me a message on my comments, or send me a private message and let me know. Appreciate it very much, guys. Tech Ninja 81 out for now.